Are you looking for the best cheap gaming PCs in this video? We will look at some of the best cheap gaming PCs the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best cheap gaming PCs in. Skytech is relatively well known in the PC pre-built market, especially when it comes to the best cheap gaming PCs. With the Chronos Mini, the firm delivers an exceptional build featuring an Intel Core i3 in tandem with a GTX 1650. It might be the sexiest pre-built on the market, but it certainly has game.the. Chronos Mini also comes with AC Wi-Fi, RGB fans, and a 500GB SSD, which is a welcome addition. Anything more than that and the price certainly would be going up by at least $100. Windows 10 is also a slight bummer, but given the multitude of issues that still plague Windows 11, maybe it's for the best. On the bright side, at least you're getting a pre-built at a bargain, given the $500 good looking compared to alternative cheap PCs on the market, so that's a major Number 2. HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop. For AMD lovers out there, HP has a pre-built gaming PC just for you. The HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop is a tower that leverages an AMD Radeon RX 5500, a Ryzen 3 5300G CPU, and 512GB of SSD storage. It comes equipped with Windows 11, too, so you won't have to worry about compatibility in that department. You will, however, have to contend with the rig's somewhat bad looks. As it appears it came out of the 1990s, it's nothing too bad, but without much RGB or glass to see inside, the PC takes a hit hard in the aesthetics department. At least you get a nice green LED accent at the bottom. This HP Pavilion debuted quite recently in 2022 and has a $639 price tag, making it an affordable option with some series firepower. Plus, you'll get a mouse and keyboard combo, so you won't have to spend extra on those accessories. Number 3. MSI MPG Trident 310SI003 US. Ever wanted a PC gaming experience that almost felt like a console? PCs are often quite hefty and can take up a ton of space, but they really don't have to. Enter MSI's MPG Trident 3. A computer console that takes inspiration from the likes of Xbox and PlayStation. It literally looks akin to a PS4 Pro, sporting red accent lines, and the MSI logo emblazoned on the front. Still, while being one of the most compact options on this list, it's also a bit pricey, despite being one of the best cheap gaming PCs on the market. At $999, the MSI MPG Trident 3 is a testament to well-rounded pre-builts, leveraging a Core i7 to 10700F, GTX 1660 Super, and 8GB of DDR4 RAM. For $1,000, that's quite a bargain, especially with the fact that you get not one but two different storage options. Including a 1TB HDD and a 512GB SSD. You are, however, still stuck with Windows 10, unfortunately, but at least you get quite a well-rounded tower. Number 4. Skytech Shiva. There aren't too many options like Skytech's $999 RTX 3060 sporting Shiva 2. This is a high-class pre-built, among the best cheap gaming PCs, due in large part to its impeccable internals, at a reasonable price point. Additionally, you get a 650W gold SU, which could have been a bit higher in wattage, but the gold cert definitely aids in the tower's overall prowess. The Shiva 2 is also slightly more compact than most, leveraging a more vertical design that features an all-white body, RGB fans, and a clear glass window to see the internals. On top of the 3060, you'll also be getting an Intel Core i5 to 12400F, 500GB SSD, 16GB DDR4 RAM, and Windows 11 compatibility. The $999 price tag might turn some away, but it's certainly worth it, and will allow for some intense gaming metrics, thanks to that 3060.